Happy New Year, everyone! I'm MICHAELJOSH, your gadget matchmaker, helping you find the right device to match your needs. Have you been looking for a 5G smartphone but haven't quite bit the bullet because you're unwilling to pay the premium that's usually associated with it? Well, no worries. 2021 will usher in a new wave of affordable 5G devices, starting with this one, Motorola's new sub $400 5G smartphone. This is our Motorola One 5G Ace hands-on. Here in the US, Motorola has long been associated with solid budget smartphones. And at $550, last fall's Motorola One 5G was clearly the company's attempt to make 5G more affordable. The new Motorola One 5G Ace is $150 cheaper, but it retains some of the best parts of this phone, including the excellent Snapdragon 765G processor, a massive 5,000 mAh battery, and a pretty capable 48 megapixel camera. If you pick one up, retail packaging will look like this. Box design is pretty standard across all of Motorola's phones. Contents are very similar too. Apart from the phone, there's paperwork and a SIM ejector tool, a USB-A to C cable, and a 10-watt charger. Once unwrapped, you'll find the Motorola One 5G Ace looks very, very similar to its pricey big brother, with the same polycarbonate plastic finish and textured pattern. It comes in two colors, volcanic gray, and this one over here, frosted silver. At 6.7 inches, it's a big phone, similar to Motorola's current G series lineup, and roughly the same size as Samsung's Galaxy S20 Ultra. For its price point, this large Full HD Plus display is sufficient, whether you're scrolling through Instagram or playing games. And with HDR10 support, it's perfect for watching movies also. One of my favorite processors from 2020 was Qualcomm's Snapdragon 765 series, because it offered a great balance between power and price. This premium mid-range SoC powered the likes of the Google Pixel 5 and the LG Velvet, both of which were $700 smartphones, which is why I'm pretty thrilled that Motorola is able to offer the same chip on a $400 phone. This means it's powerful enough to handle day-to-day tasks and then some. It should also chug along fine if you decide to keep it for a few years. North American versions of this phone come with 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage. And in case you need more, you can pop in a micro SD card. Right here in this tray, it shares with its single nano SIM card. And while we're looking, down here, beside the single speaker and USB-C port, is a headphone jack. I know some of you might like that. Finally, on its back, where you'll find the Motorola logo, is a fingerprint sensor. Unlike the Motorola One 5G, which had a total of 6 cameras, the Motorola One 5G Ace has a more reasonable 3 rear cameras and a selfie shooter. While its 8 megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera is nothing to write home about, and its 2 megapixel macro camera pretty unusable, its 48 megapixel camera does a decent job at capturing snapshots. Take this photo, for example. Shot against the light, it still managed to expose the scene properly. The depth of field is creamy, and when you zoom into the leaf, you can see all the details. This next shot of a corgi mural came out pretty good, even if the sun had already disappeared from the horizon. The phone has also got night mode, so even in my dimly lit living room, this photo of my Lego city came out pretty good. The other noteworthy feature of the Motorola One 5G Ace is its massive 5,000 mAh battery that in our tests lasted a full day and a half of moderate use with 5G on. Not quite the 2 days promised by Motorola, but more than sufficient nonetheless. My only complaint is that it ships with a measly 10-watt charger in the box, which is nothing compared to what's available in the market today. For example, its closest competitor, the similarly priced OnePlus Nord N100 5G, comes with a Warp Charge 30T charger. In the US, the new Motorola One 5G Ace will be available starting January 14th. It retails for $399.99, and you can start pre-ordering starting January 8th at Best Buy, Walmart, B&H Photo, Amazon, and Motorola.com. It will also be coming to your favorite cell provider in the coming months. Motorola says it will be universally unlocked. And that was our Motorola One 5G Ace hands-on. A pretty good phone that balances performance power, battery life, delivers 5G, and comes with a pretty good camera. Today, Motorola also announced the 2021 Moto G lineup, including the Moto G Play, Moto G Power, and the Moto G Stylus, which retail for $170, $200, and $300 respectively. If you'd like help picking between the three, comment buyer's guide, please, down below. And while you're at it, subscribe to this YouTube channel. Hit that bell icon so that you get notified as soon as we publish that video. Follow me on social media for all the behind-the-scenes fun stuff. And as always, make GadgetMatch.com your daily habit. Until the next video, I'm MICHAELJOSH. Thanks for dropping by.